do this my way. I'm running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you and hop on my wave. I helped you style, I helped you grind. And you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always call me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you will be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a protective hairstyle. Without further ado, let's get to it. The hair I'll be using today is a 14-inch kinky curl headband wig from Amazon. I'll go right in and put the wig on and take it from there, you all.
There is a girl so lovely to me. She is the reason I dare to believe love can be simple, pure and good sometimes. And I take her heart with me wherever I go. She's one in a million. She helps me to grow. The life that she gives is something I need to survive.
Here I have two sets of leftover hair, some locks, and the Cuban twist. I went in and did 4 twists, guys. I'll use this hair, I don't know which one I'll use, and cover the headband. I'll try both sets and then I'll choose the one that looks better to me and go with that one.
She is my whole world. She is my heart forever, my girl. In her eyes, take me back to the moment she saved me. Conquering my dreams, honest and true. Wrote this for you, Daisy. No empty spaces, no empty lines. Fills them all with one of her smiles. She is a temple meant to be worshipped, adored. Makes me remember something I've seen.
Now I'll try the twist, you all.
Timeless and perfect, beautiful, charming and true. Those daisies remind me of you. I'd go to the sun and back for her love.
I think the twist looks better, you all, so I'll stay with this.
There in her arms, because really my baby, I can't stop calling her Daisy. She is my home.
Now I am combing the hair out to shape it in the form of a fro.
Eyes take me back to the moment she saved me. Conquering my dreams, honest and true. Put this for you, Daisy.
I'll add some water to the hair.
Baby, I'd go to the sun and back for her love. I'd go 1,000 collapse there in her arms. I'm gonna fight for you, baby. To the sun and back, go for you. 1,000 walls to collapse there in baby there. To the sun and back, in 1,000 walls to collapse. Don't let me down.
Now it's time for me to trim the hair, you all.
I'm dying with you, baby. 1,000 walls to collapse there in her arms. My baby, I can't stop calling her Daisy. She is my whole world. She is my heart forever, my girl. And her eyes take me.
there you have it, guys. As you can see, I went in and had some hair jewelry to the hair. So guys, if you like this hairstyle, check the description box for the link to the hair. And thank you guys for watching, and as always, I do appreciate you all. Until next time, bye.
Every morning I'm gonna be here. Why you crying? Why so